What's top of mind for supply chain executives? The backlog at the ports. There are over 50 ships stuck at the ports, waiting outside, floating in the water, and product is not getting to the customers. So some customers are waiting for deliveries. They expect deliveries next day, same day. They're not even getting them in the same week. That's a problem. And then manufacturers are waiting on materials and other supplies so that they can run the products that they need to support food, to support healthcare, to support aerospace. And so we have a big problem where everything is stockpiled at the port. So it's reminiscent of when we first went into COVID and every grocery store was out of toilet paper and there was a massive challenge with toilet paper. Well, we're having the same type of challenge now, and it's with all products being stuck at the ports. So what do we do about this? I have clients asking me, how do I get through faster? What should I be doing? Well, the answer is we shouldn't be doing that at all. We should be rethinking our strategy. Let's think fast forward later this year. Are we still going to be stuck at the ports? Do we really want to be reliant upon our current setup and what's happening today? No, the answer is definitely no, because the ports aren't going to get better. Yes, they will catch up eventually. Yes, there's expectations that it should be sometime late spring, early summer that we can get more caught up. However, it then comes upon our busy season, for the peak season, for the holidays. So there's always going to be some challenge in the supply chain. One thing is happening today, it'll be resolved. A new challenge will arise tomorrow. We cannot prevent weather, conflicts and other issues that arise. So what are you doing to think out into the future to say, how can I be resilient? How can I make sure that I'm staying up to speed on my customers' needs? What's going to stand out in the crowd? I mean, it's not just waiting for what's at the ports. After all, who knows, by the time you get it, your customers have probably gone on, changed their mind, gone on to something completely new. So what are you doing to stay in touch with your customers' needs and have a resilient and flexible, agile supply chain so that you can, should you be reshoring and bring some back to closer to your customers? Should you be reshoring? So again, you can get it to your customers more quickly, like in Mexico. Should you be having a backup source of supply? Should you be producing in-house? Should you have different relationships with your your global transportation partners? Maybe, maybe not. All of the above. None of the above. It depends. What is your strategy? Where are your customers going? Where are you going to build your business in the future? And how can you best position yourself to be successful? That's what you really should be thinking about, not how you're going to handle this particular current crisis. So be thinking that 25% of your business is likely to change, is going to change because of just where we've been recently with COVID. What are you doing differently? How are you going to keep up with things changing? And just that 25% that's changing, it's going to change again. So how are you more resilient? Be thinking about that. And I'd love to hear what you think. Contact me and we'll have a conversation.